Introduction. Welcome to this instructional video on how to reduce a rational expression to its lowest terms in this video. We will be focusing on simplifying the expression x squared plus 4x minus 21 divided by x plus 7. By following a few simple steps, we will be able to simplify this expression and express it in its lowest terms. Let's get started. Step 1. The goal is to simplify the given rational expression x squared plus 4x minus 21 divided by x plus 7 to its lowest terms. To do this, we need to factorize the numerator, which is x squared plus 4x minus 21. We start by finding factors of negative 21 that add up to 4. The factors of negative 21 are negative 7 and positive 3 and positive 7 and negative 3. Here, positive 7 and negative 3 add up to positive 4. So, we can rewrite the numerator. It becomes x squared plus 7x minus 3x minus 21. Next, we group the terms to simplify further. We can group x squared plus 7x as one part and negative 3x minus 21 as the other part. The expression now reads x squared plus 7x plus negative 3x minus 21. We factor out the common term from each group. From the first group x squared plus 7x, we factor out x. This gives us x times x plus 7. From the second group negative 3x minus 21, we factor out negative 3. This gives us negative 3 times x plus 7. Now our numerator looks like x times x plus 7 plus negative 3 times x plus 7. Because we have a common factor of x plus 7, we can factor that out too. So, the final factorization of the numerator is x plus 7 times x minus 3. We then replace the original numerator with its factored form. Our expression is now x plus 7 times x minus 3 divided by x plus 7. We will continue to the next step in the process to simplify this expression further. Step 2. Now that we have factored the numerator, our rational expression is x plus 7 times x minus 3 divided by x plus 7. To simplify this expression further, we observe that x plus 7 is a common factor in both the numerator and the denominator. Because x plus 7 appears in both the numerator and the denominator, we can divide both parts by x plus 7. This effectively cancels out the common factor of x plus 7 from the numerator and the denominator. So, we are left with x minus 3. Thus, the simplified form of the given rational expression x squared plus 4x minus 21 divided by x plus 7 is x minus 3. This concludes our problem-solving process, as we have reduced the rational expression to its lowest terms. Step 3. In this final step, we notice that we have successfully cancelled out the common factor in the numerator and the denominator, which is x plus 7. After cancelling out the common factor, we are left with the simplified expression x minus 3. This means that the given rational expression x squared plus 4x minus 21 over x plus 7 has now been reduced to its lowest terms, which is simply x minus 3. Thus, we have completed our problem-solving process and the rational expression is now in its simplest form.